revolutionary greetings, fighters and proud forces of the economic emancipation movement. The EFFSC NWU POTCH Student Campus would like to wish the EFF Students Command best of luck with their upcoming 4th National Students Assembly. We would like to urge all fighters, delegates, to take this opportunity to reflect and come up with ideas that seek to bring growth and strengthen the organization and take it forward. Let this be a platform that will present, deliberate, and adopt a radical program towards achieving the strategic objectives of the organization. And lastly, we'd like to urge all delegates to practice maximum discipline and remain united under the struggle of free, quality, well-resourced, and decolonized education. Amandla.